Mason.
Martina.
Lieutenant, nice to meet you. Mason.
And Jessica.
Nice to meet you. No door lock?
No.
You tried the duct tape method? Couldn't get the window to come down? You've been trying?
Get that, because we bought one at O'Reilly and we've been trying for like an hour.
We're fixing to start selling them and stuff on my website though. Y'all can buy them there. Yeah.
Yeah, because that's a mid.
How much was it?
He said 100.
100? There you go. Merry Christmas.
Oh, no.
Yeah, no, I'm serious.
No.
Yeah, I've been wanting to help somebody out and I do like giveaways and stuff sometimes, so I'd like to do something for y'all for Christmas.
¿Cómo se dice?
You're welcome. Merry Christmas.
Thank you very much.
Merry Christmas, brother. Merry
Thank you.
Christmas. You're welcome.